Hello there.
Hello.
What do you think of the Taiko show? Taiko drum show?
Absolutely phenomenal.
Did they have anything like that in, what was the name of the city you were from? Underwater?
Rapture.
That's right. Did they have anything like that in Rapture?
Nothing at all. All we had was boring jazz music.
So you got tired of it after a while?
For sure.
So, what have you been up to since Rapture?
The usual murdering people for Adam. I love the Adam. I need the power. Makes me feel good.
How do people get Adam nowadays?
Gotta suck it out of their life first. Their life, you gotta cut it out.
Where do you find Adam?
Typically it's in the heart. It's always in the heart.
So what are your future plans? Like what do you want to do next?
I just want power so I can go to the top and so that Andrew Ryan can notice me. I need Andrew Ryan to notice me.
What kind of music do you like?
Not jazz. I'm so tired of jazz.
If you could tell the world anything, what would you tell them?
I'm coming for you. You're next.
All right, thank you so much.